So today I'm going to show you how do I use this phone to do full editing, okay? Step by step, uncut, and then I'm just going to show you every single step on this phone and do the full editing and exporting and upload to my YouTube. So usually I will use a nicer camera like this, and then I will have an SD card, right? And now I need to put this SD card, whatever the file, into the phone. So I will purchase this on Amazon, and I will plug this in. And then now I will plug it underneath, okay? And then it will end up like this. Now you go to my file, okay? Go to my file, and then you click on there and look for your USB storage. We go into there, and then we basically look for the one that, look for the clip, okay? We look for the clip, which is right here. We have to move this into your internal storage, which is on the phone. We have to hold this, press move, go to internal storage, and then move here. So you're gonna take some time to move the whole file into the phone. Right there. Now let's just say if everything is done, we can unplug this, and now we are going to CapCut, okay? Because CapCut able to provide a lot of nice clips or official whatever it is, okay? So now let's just say we're gonna go in here, we're gonna select whatever the clip we want to put inside. So we're gonna make sure that this is the clip right there, okay? I'm gonna click on there, press add, and then now it's going to compress your video, so it's going to take some time. And now you see the clip is right here. So I'm going to just show you the full way of editing this, okay? So this is actually Chinese version, and then I'm just going to show you how does it work, and then I'm just going to put some coloring. If you have the APK file, this is actually all for free, so you can actually put a different color onto your phone, just like that. And then I think this is a little bit too dark, and then I'm going to go like this, okay? And then the color, I want to make it a little bit, the temperature, a little bit not too red, okay? And then make sure that everything is good. And then I want to make it a widescreen, so I press this, put it on the side, and then I want to have another video, which is this one here, add. Super fast, as you can see. Press this, add, and then you can see I can add like this, okay? And then I'm going to mute this.
咁咧，我仲未開始之前咧，大家咧就睇下呢條片啦。咁啊，呢條片咧就講咗就話咧，如果你呢個就係你個電話啦，呢一個咧就係屬於你嘅 iPhone。
I can make it.
之後嘅話咧，啲電話咧就全部有 3D finger 即係 Face ID， 即係咧要咁樣。咁啊，三星機咧有7種方式去 upload 電話，但係咧我哋。
So now I'm going to put audio right there, so you can see I can do a split screen. And then now all I have to do is finish this, and then wait until it finish uploading, exporting right there. See that? Exporting, which is pretty fast, so you can see that. And then right here, I can actually grab the audio and then actually make it an audio clip, and then use the AI just to clean up the audio. Because this one on here is a little bit slower, using this way will be a little bit faster. You can see the way that it uploads is so much faster. You can see that. And then you can see right here, this is actually video to MP3. All I have to do is I press that, grab this audio to here, and then just going to grab the audio clip. Super fast. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. iPhone cannot do this because they cannot do split screen. Now this is done, right? Okay. Now I click on here, and then I'm going to go find my clip, which is this one always at the bottom. Click this one, press next. Press save. You can actually make it horizontal if you want, or you can flip. Press save. Now I grab the audio clip. Super fast, you can see. See that? And then now I go on this one right here. Okay, and now I have a third screen. And now I'm going to go on to Adobe, and this website is actually free. They can clean up your audio with no problem. So when this is done, I go on here and select files. And then right here, I can go back. Yep. Using mode, done, done. You can see I'm running 3 screens at the same time with no issue. Now I'm just going to rename so easier to find my thing, confirm. Okay. Now right here, I just need to find my clip. Audio, it will be right there. Now I'm going to use the AI to clean the audio for me. When I finish this, now I put the audio back into here, and now it will be the AI audio, and then I will mute my own original audio. So it will be sound more clear, much better. Pretty cool. So I press download. As you can see, it's downloading. And then I press here and then add the clip back in there. Super simple and so convenient. So 3 enhance. And now my audio has cleaned up. Very nice. Make it louder. And then that's it. Press take. And then make sure it's make sure it's 4K and then export, and then now your video is ready to go. This is how I edit video on my Fold 6 with 3 screens and super useful. So when this is done, I'm gonna go into my YouTube, okay? And then I just gonna upload my YouTube. So I'm gonna press YouTube, press this and drag it into the middle. And now I can actually go to my file, which is here, okay, right on my Chinese channel, and then press that, press plus, press upload, press this video, press next, and basically everything is done. And then now you just need to put your keyword and put keywords, description and title, and that's it. And now I finished editing my videos with this, and this combined. This is why Fold 6 is so important, because there's no phones can do this except the Fold 6. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I will have another video very soon. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.